Navigating package redirects on Amazon.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of requesting a package redirect on Amazon. Whether you've moved, entered the wrong address, or just need your package somewhere else, Amazon gives you the ability to make changes to your delivery. Let's explore how you can do that.
When can I redirect my package?
Before we dive into the steps, it's important to know that you can only request a package redirect before your item has shipped. Once the package is on its way, it might be too late to make changes. So, try to be quick if you notice a mistake in your shipping details.
How do I change my delivery address?
Firstly, you need to sign in to your Amazon account. Navigate to your account page by clicking on Your Account in the drop-down menu under your name on the upper right of the screen. Once you're on your account page, look for the section titled Orders. In this section, you'll see a list of your current and past orders. Locate the order you wish to redirect and click on it. This will bring up the order summary, where you should see an option that says Change Shipping Address. Click on this and enter your new shipping details. Remember, this option will not be available if the item has already shipped.
What if my item has already shipped?
If your item has already shipped, your options might be limited. Amazon generally does not allow changes to the shipping address once the item is on its way. However, in some cases, you may be able to contact the courier directly to request a change. The contact information for the courier can usually be found in the shipping confirmation email or in the tracking information on the order details page. And that's how you request a package redirect on Amazon. We hope this video was helpful and empowers you to manage your Amazon orders more effectively. Remember to make any necessary changes as quickly as possible after placing your order to increase your chances of successful redirection. Happy shopping!